Example problem. Simplify the following expression completely. The quantity 2x cubed all squared times x to the fourth. Our topic, laws of exponents, product and power rules. Understanding how to manipulate exponents is a foundational skill in algebra. Students often get confused about when to add exponents and when to multiply them. This topic covers the essential rules used to simplify expressions with powers. Key rules to remember: product of powers rule. When multiplying two terms with the same base, you add the exponents. Power of a power rule. When raising a power to another power, you multiply the exponents. Let us return to the example problem. Simplify the following expression completely. The quantity 2x cubed all squared times x to the fourth. A common mistake in algebra is mixing up when to add exponents and when to multiply them. Let's solve this expression step by step so you never get them confused again. First, we look at the parentheses. The power of a power rule tells us that everything inside gets raised to that outer exponent. That means we square the 2 and we square the x cubed. 2 squared is 4. For the x term, when you have a power raised to another power, you multiply the exponents. 3 times 2 gives us 6. Now, we are multiplying two terms with the same base x. This is the product of powers rule. Instead of multiplying the exponents, we add them. 6 plus 4 is 10. The coefficient 4 stays exactly where it is. And there is our final answer. 4x raised to the power of 10. Remember, power to a power, multiply. Multiplying the same base, add. Keep those straight and you'll ace your next quiz.